Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this brand new 2016 Chrysler 300S all-wheel drive. This 300S is an ivory white tri-coat pearl. Has the black S leather interior. And this vehicle is powered by the 3.6 liter 300 horsepower Pentastar variable valve timing V6 engine. Has the 8-speed 845 RE automatic transmission with manual shiftability via the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. This vehicle does have the front and rear park sense park assist. It also has the park view backup camera with active guidance lines. Looking around the rear, you have a bright dual tip chrome exhaust, your 300S badging, and of course the all-wheel drive badge. LED rear tail lamps with LED turn signals. You have the 19-inch hyper black aluminum wheels on 235/55 R19 Michelin Primacy MXM tires. Does have the gloss black window trim, dual pane panorama sunroof, and your side view mirrors have LED turn repeaters. This vehicle also has blind spot monitoring with cross path detection. Up front, xenon high intensity discharge headlamps with LED daytime running lights and LED turn indicators. Looking around the front, you have the vapor chrome Mobius strip with LED fog lamps. And of course up front you have the gloss black S-specific grille. Alright, and this vehicle is equipped with a remote start. To operate is easy. Just double press the remote start button on the key fob. And locking and unlocking the vehicle is easy with the keyless enter and go smart key access by keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket. To lock the vehicle, simply locate the black button on the door handle. The horn will chirp and the vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply grab the handle as you'd open it. And inside, we found power heated mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. We've also got piano black trim, as well as a hydrographic trim. Satin silver door handles, remote fuel door release. Does have the premium Beats audio system, 552 watt amplifier, and 10 speakers. Eight-way power driver and passenger seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. S-specific leather seats with a satin silver stitching, and of course the S logo. On the dash panel, control for your automatic headlamps and your fog lamps, your instrument panel light dim, ambient light dim, remote trunk release. The hydrographics continue, as well as the piano black trim. Leather wrap, tilt and telescoping steering wheel with audio controls. Alright, I'm painting through the interior just to show a little more detail. The black Chrysler emblem on the steering wheel to show that it's an S model. Also have the piano black bezels, your reconfigurable instrument cluster display screens. You connect Bluetooth controls as well as cruise control. And on the steering wheel, you do have the satin silver stitching, zinc plated paddle shifters. The left side is downshift, the right side is upshift. And moving down the center stack, you have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display. This vehicle is equipped with Sirius XM satellite radio. You've also got your Bluetooth, controls for heated front seats and your mirror dimmer, dual zone electronic automatic climate control. You've also got Garmin base navigation and your phone controls. And moving down, redundant controls for audio and climate controls. You've also got your sport mode activation, your back button, park sense parking sensors power switch, stability control, and of course your climate control, all surrounded by piano black trim. And the center console also has the carbon fiber hydrographics trim. Nice amount of storage, as well as a 12-volt power point. Revised rotary E-shift dial. To put it into sport mode, however, you actually have to press the knob down and then go into sport mode. That prevents accidental activation. Sliding cover reveals your illuminated cup holders. And you have a nice amount of storage in your center console. Removable liner. You also have a 12-volt power point and Uconnect inputs for auxiliary, USB port, and SD card. Looking overhead map lights, as well as individual reading lights. HomeLink universal garage door opener, and these two controls are for your panorama sunroof. On the left hand side is your glass, on the right hand side is your shade. Uconnect assist and 911 dial. Illuminated vanity mirrors. On sliding visors with slide out extensions. Alright, taking a look at the rear seat. The rear door trim continues the same pattern as the front, with the hydrographics and the piano trim, satin silver stitching, and door handles. The rear seat does seat 3 across. It is a 60/40 split folding seat with integrated outboard head restraints and a height adjustable inboard head restraint. Stitch pattern continues. Fold down center armrest with integrated illuminated cup holders. Also got storage. And rear seat passengers also have their own positional air vents and twin USB charge ports. Seat back mat pockets. And to fold the seats is easy. Just locate the tether at the top part of the seat and pull forward. Alright, taking a look at the luggage area. The luggage area is very nice and spacious, as would be expected for a car of this size. You have a 50-pound tie-down hook on the left-hand side. It is illuminated on both sides. Of course, you have your subwoofer and amplifier for the Beats audio system. And located underneath the floor mat, you have your compact spare tire with jack and tools, and your battery. Alright, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this brand new 2016 Chrysler 300S all-wheel drive. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.